Automation Direct sells a large selection of mechanical power transmission products from a wide range of brands. Timing pulleys, bushings, and belts provide low-cost, reliable power transmission between rotating components with changes to speed and torque as needed. Speed and torque can be changed based on the ratio between the pulleys. Belt and pulley pitch is simply the distance between the teeth. To help you select components, we have this great online selector tool for belts and pulleys. See the link above. Timing belts are an excellent choice for many industrial applications. Belts are available in a wide range of sizes and materials. Tooth belts interlock with grooved pulleys for dependable power transmission. Multiple pulley sizes are available to allow you to pick diameters to accomplish the required speed or torque change. Bushings allow the connection of pulleys to different size shafts. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. See these videos for more information about mechanical power transmission products, and shop here for all your power transmission needs.